Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Asitha Anjana Dewanama from Royal English School, Matale. Today, I stand before you to speak on a topic which is not only close to my heart, but also very crucial for the world we live in, which is unity among all humans is wonderful. Taking an approach to the topic, in a world that is increasingly divided by borders, ideologies, culture, and of course many more, the idea of unity is a beacon of hope and a guiding star towards a better and a more compassionate future. Speaking about unity, unity is not just a word. It's a powerful force which brings together people, transcending differences and celebrating commonalities. It is the understanding that despite our diverse backgrounds, cultures and perspectives, we still are part of the same human family. This understanding is wonderful because it fosters empathy, respect and love among individuals, communities and furthermore nations. For an instance, consider the beauty of a mosaic, a piece of art which brings together pieces of several shapes, sizes and colors to create a masterpiece. Similarly, human unity combines individual strengths, dreams and aspirations to create a society which is rich in diversity yet united in purpose. Wonders of unity are evident in moments of crisis when people come together to support one another regardless of their differences. In conclusion, I would like to say, let us all cultivate unity in our hearts and communities. Thank you.